Hello, it's Liz from Old Stables Crafts. Welcome back, and I've got exciting news. I have mentioned it a couple of times, but from the 1st of July, that's tomorrow, until the 2nd of August, you can get Designer Series paper at a discount. We like this. So this is basically the what I would call the standard, not that anything that is Stampin' Up is standard, Designer Series paper in the annual catalogue. It's not the specialty, and it's not the in colours that you get in the stack. So let me show you what it is. Everything is 15% off. So with the exception of this one, which is the In Good Taste set, everything will be £9.14 if you're in the UK. I'm going to pop these to one side so that we don't get them all confused. So I'm minus one of the designs of this paper. I've got everything else, but one of the designs apparently I loved so much that I used all of it. And you get a lot of it. So you get 12 designs and you get 2 of each of the designs. I have to say I've had more than one pack and I still don't have one of the designs. So you get 24, that's right, 24 sheets of paper. So this is the one side and this is the other side. So let me take you through them one at a time, because these are quite, they don't have an obvious A and B side, but they're wood grain, they're stone, they're planks of wood, there's some tiling, there's some textiles, all sorts of patterns, and colours. I mean, there's pink in this, so lots and lots. Some of these you will recognise because I use them for my photo backdrops, but not the one that I haven't got. I wondered if that's where it was, but it's not. So that's that little lot, and I have, I think, one sample where I've used that. It's an out of stock, it's a retired stamp set, but I used one of the backgrounds for this card. So one of these backgrounds, it's great for masculine cards. I liked that stamp set. Hey ho. So that's the oddity. So that is going to be £17. That's reduced from £20 to £17. Now, hand penned, which has very definite A and B side. So these are the A sides. Let me fan these out so that you can have a good look. And these are the B sides. So again, a really nice soft palette. I'm going to actually do a bit of alternating. Should have thought of this before, because then it's easier to see the patterns. That being the right way up would be a help as well. So you've got lilacs, you've got blues, you've got pinks, you've got yellows, you've got cinnamon cider. It's just gorgeous. Garden green. Don't often get garden green, but some really nice papers. And of course you can get the Memories and More pack to go with that. So as I say, that's £9.14 for a pack from the 1st of July until the 2nd of August. This is the Bloom Where You're Growing. Yes, Bloom Where You're Planted. And again, I'm going to alternate the A and B sides because it will be easier to distinguish them that way. Right, that's better. You can actually see a bit of a difference. So we've got wood effect again, but this time more of a cartoony hand-drawn effect, whereas the In Good Taste were all photographs of the items that were then made into papers. So we've got wood grain, we've got foliage, we've got a sort of background, pots, more foliage, and then the wood grain. And then if I turn them over, you've got more foliage, this lovely brick wall, kind of earth tone foliage. I was going to say that, yeah, no, you know what I mean, softened foliage. This, which is gorgeous, just as a card front, I would probably have it, well, you could have it either way up, actually. A brick wall and more pots and plants. And I have one sample for that, which was one I did fairly recently, which is this one. I've just realised one of my lights isn't on. That might be better. I didn't think I liked this set of papers. I love it. I ordered it before I knew it was in the sale. But hey, there we go. I've ordered another pack and the stamp set and the dies. In fact, the whole suite, because it was just so gorgeous. Worth remembering that you have to order these as just the paper. Don't order them in the suite or you won't get the discount. But simple card, just fussy cutting one of the patterns out. And actually I've got another one. So this one uses 2 of the patterns, just as a background with the, I want to say squared away. And I've just put a piece on the inside, just as a bit of a thing. So that's those 2. Now this one is the In the Wild. I haven't got any samples to show you of this as yet, but I'm going to do that whole trick of right side, wrong side again. And so these are the big cats. Really great colours again. Let's show you that one properly. Some of these work with the dies. Sorry, we've got a jet going over us. So some of these work with the dies. So if you've got the die set that goes with this, it will work really well. More foliage. I love that. A leopard print, but in Cajun craze. Tigers and more foliage. So again, a really nice selection of papers. As I say, don't have any samples as yet. So this is the Pansy Petals set, and again I'm going to do the whole whoop-steery so that we can see them properly. No, that is right. Right, so we've got the B-sides and the A-sides showing. So we've got a nice stripe, small petals. I want to say this is Bumblebee, but I might be wrong. Might be crushed curry. Pansies which work with the dies, a check and foliage, and then if we turn that over, another check, right way up would be special. So pansies and bumblebees, great background, nice all over pattern, another check, and a smaller version of this one, but on a green background where this is on white. And for those, I do have some samples. She says somewhere, I know I do. I've done those ones, haven't I? So I've got that as a sample using that, and that as a sample using that. So I've just used the background papers to go with the, this is the Hippo and Friends as a congratulations on the birth of your child card. And then this I've just used with die cuts. So really useful papers. Right, now this one again, somewhere I have got samples. Can I find them? No. I'm having a look around to see if I can see them anywhere tucked away, and the answer is no. But what I'm going to be doing over the next few weeks to fall in line with this sale is use a lot of designer series paper, predominantly on cards, but with 3D as well. So stick around for those. These I've cut to card fronts, so they're for me 5 5/8 by 3 7/8. So we've got a lovely, this is great for masculine cards, but really great colours. Again, good for masculine. That would go either way. Some really, this reminds me of the 1970s. And again, some really great backgrounds. So that one goes that way up. I did some cards a few weeks ago using these as borders, and for the love of me, I can't find them anywhere, but they must be around because I know I haven't sent them. But anyway, so that is the Sweets Symmetry paper. So another really nice set. In the peach, no, you're a peach, which, again, I need to do the whole whoop-steery. This is my current, or was my current class. So it's the one you've just missed. Booking finished on Monday. And most people have gone for the stamp set add-on as well, because it's gorgeous. I've had bundles and stamp sets ordered with the kit. So some really nice patterns. If you're into fussy cutting, there are fussy cut images. This is a background, or as I say, a B side, I would say, because this is the A side. And then we've got some really, whoops, upside down, really great backgrounds. But wonderful, wonderful men. Don't think this is only for women, because it's not. And because I have used this for my team retreat as well recently, something tells me I quite like it. So this uses that background. This was one of the square doilies used as a mask. And then this is the square doily that was used as the mask. So it's coloured, just with some fussy cutting. And then finally this one, which is an accordion fold. And this is all fussy cut as well, these images. But yeah, yes, it was just white in the background. So that's the You're a Peach suite. Then we come on to, actually we'll do this one next. Then we come on to these. I for some reason got cut in 6x6, but hey. So this is the Beauty of the Earth suite. And again, there isn't really a right and a wrong side for these. I mean, there is, but I'm going to show them to you as one at a time. So we've got this, which at the back is a sort of watercolour trees. These are great for banners at the or strips at the bottom of a project, and then just a watercolour. This will be great for Christmas cards, or if you want winter birthdays, because it's that sort of pine tree with the with that sort of snowy feel to it. And then this I think is gorgeous, absolutely stunning. Upside down, trees with a wood grain background. I love this one, and it's got sky as its background, or blue watercolour, and then this one, which is amazing, with this as its background. This actually goes into the middle, so it all comes in from the outside to the middle. So again, £9.14. And then finally, this is the Christmas set that is in the catalogue, in the annual catalogue. So this is Tidings of Christmas. Doesn't need to be Christmas. Let it be said. Again, we can go winter. There are holly leaves in here, but the back is just a really nice chevron. That's possibly Christmas or winter, and just a stripe. This is very similar to the images in the, can't remember the name of the stamp set. Oh, what's it called? What is it called? No, it's not coming to me. I'm looking at my stamps and I can't think of it. But there's the one with the seed heads, which is gorgeous. And then the reverse side is the same, but as a line drawing. Snowflakes. This is Sahara sand. We've got pine cones and holly leaves there. This is that same, it's going to annoy me until I can remember what the name of the stamp set is, paper pattern. More stripes. Again, we've got holly leaves and more holly leaves. So a really nice set of papers that don't have to be used for Christmas, in my humble opinion. I think these would be good for winter, for masculine, just for soft backgrounds. I think they're just really, really nice. So I hope you found that useful. The sale, as I say, starts tomorrow, the 1st of July, and goes through to the 2nd of August. And then on the 3rd of August, the new mini catalogue launches. But between now and then, you can stock up on your annual catalogue papers so that you've got lots and lots to play with over the coming months. So, as I say, over the next few weeks, I will be doing some designer series paper focused projects. So do come back and look at those. Thank you very much indeed for joining me today. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't already subscribe, there's a subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner. I will have all the information about the sale on my website, and that is linked below. And I'll have pictures of some of the projects that I've already shown you. And then, as I say, we'll have some more projects coming along in the next few weeks. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you again very soon, I hope. Bye!